Why waste time in commute and spend a lot of money for Neet UG coaching? Parents, do you want your kids to achieve top scores in Neet? India's leading online Neet coaching, 100% success. Neet UG. TeenEinstein.com. At TeenEinstein, we focus on Neet coaching from Class 6 to Class 12. We think you'll like it. Our teachers are mostly PhDs in physics, maths, chemistry, botany and zoology with lots of years of teaching experience for Class 6 to Class 12. Thousands of videos, quiz, MCQs. We provide a daily worksheet of 30 questions on each topic: math, physics, chemistry and biology for rigorous practice, concept understanding, evaluation, quizzes and thousands of videos. Limited offer, 40,000 per year. Book your class. TeenEinstein.com. Contact 99402 49720.
Hello dear students, welcome to the PYQ discussions on Neet UG papers. Here I am going to discuss a question from Neet UG paper 2024. The question says match list 1 with list 2. List 1 gives you the spectral lines obtained for hydrogen atom when electron has a transition from one particular label to another particular label, and list 2 gives the wavelength of the radiation emitted due to that transition in nanometer. So you have to find out which wavelength is corresponding to which transitions given in the list 1. Okay, so see, in the list 1, A gives you the transition from energy level 3 to energy level 2, and B gives you the transition from 4 to the first excited state, N is equal to N1 is equal to 2, like that, and here the wavelengths are given. See, for solving this question, you should not be thinking that I should know the numbers for each corresponding transition, but just from the conceptual understanding we can find out the wavelength corresponding to each transition. See, if suppose this is my N2 and this is N1, when there is a transition, the frequency or the energy of the radiations emits is directly proportional to the energy difference between the two energy levels. So if the gap between the energy levels is more, then energy or the frequency of the corresponding radiation will be more. And see, frequency is inversely proportional to or inversely related to wavelength. That means, you know, if my energy gap is more, then wavelength will be less. So that is what is the conceptual understanding from which you can solve this problem. See, here the highest gap is given in the transition D. So N2 is equal to 6 and N1 is equal to 2. So this will give you the highest energy gap. Okay, so for highest energy gap, the frequency of the corresponding radiation will also be more or the highest, then wavelength will be least. So you have to find out the least wavelength here, and that is given by this one. So this is the least wavelength. This will be obtained from this particular transition 6th state to state 2. Okay, so I can say that D matching with 1. Now we'll see the highest wavelength that means least energy gap. So least energy gap is here with A. So this will have, so this transition will have least energy gap, so the highest wavelength. So A will be matching with 3. Okay. Then we'll see just after this one will have this wavelength. That means the gap will be this one. See, n is equal to 2 to this gap. Okay, so there will be gap 2. So this sense B actually is matching with, B will be matching with 4. Okay, B will be matching with 4, and then the second highest gap is with this transition n is equal to, n2 is equal to 5 to n2 is equal, n1 is equal to 2. So C will be matching with 2. Let us check the options here: A3, B4, C2 and D1. So option number A will be the correct answer for this question. Thank you.
A lot of money for IIT JEE coaching. Parents, do you want your kids to achieve top scores in IIT JEE? India's leading online NEET coaching 100% success IIT JEE. At TeenEinstein, we focus on IIT JEE coaching from Class 6 to Class 12. We think you'll like it. Our teachers are mostly PhDs in physics, maths, chemistry, botany, and zoology, with lots of years of teaching experience for Class 6 to Class 12. Thousands of videos, quiz, MCQs. We provide a daily worksheet of 30 questions on each topic: math, physics, chemistry, and biology, for rigorous practice, concept understanding, evaluation, quiz, and thousands of videos. Limited offer 40,000 rupees per year. Book your class. TeenEinstein.com.